Welcome, Rnetwork members. Today, I'm going to show you how to access your back office and get familiar with each tab here. I'm so excited to share this video with you. Hi, my name is John, and today I'm just going to show you how to access your back office, and let's get started. So the first thing, guys, once you log into your back office or Rnetwork, this tab here is TBS. You can click here, and what it will do, it will actually give you your actual member ID number and also who your enroller. So just want to share that real quick. The main thing we are going to concentrate on is the rewards, but I just want to get you familiar with each tab here. So real quick, let's click on the second one. It's payouts. This is where you will actually see where your commissions will end up under your payouts. The next one here, this is your personal enroll network members that's under you. So that's the button for that. Of course, view profile, that's where your personal information is. But the main thing, guys, I want to concentrate on is the rewards. As you pay for your monthly subscription, you earn 5,000 points each month. So let's concentrate on the rewards. Let's see what you got access to now. To the card come out, which is 2020 of January of next year. So for right now, as a member, you can access your rewards as an active member. But real quick, I'm gonna show you what you got access to. Okay, guys, as you can see, you can use your reward points here to unlock some things. Real quick, I want to show you. Right now, you can start booking at a hotel, 60% off. I'm gonna show you some examples of them real quick. Also, guys, you can also save. These are coupons. You could put in your zip code and it'll search local coupons in your area. It's very powerful. So this is what you got access to. Also, you can go through these merchandise offers. You can actually go through these and see what they have there. Also, guys, they have sweepstakes you can enter as a member. As a member, you can actually go, enter in through the sweepstakes, which is very awesome. You'll love it. I'm telling you. They got Walmart, they got Amazon, Best Buy, so you can enter to the sweepstakes with your actual points as well. For instance, let's do an example. Let's say if you want to enter into Walmart gift card, right? What you would do, you can use your points. The points that you got, you can redeem 10 points for one sweepstake ticket. So for instance, I'm gonna use 10 of my points that I've been given, and I'm gonna hit redeem now. Yes, it's asking you, do you want to redeem 10 points for one entry? I'm gonna say yes, because I want to win. Eventually want to be one of the winners of the Walmart gift card. As you can see from my balance, it has took 10. So I'm gonna be entering to these sweepstakes. I love sweepstakes, and it's a great way to actually enter and to win some awesome prizes and gifts. So also, guys, they have magazine vouchers that you can also claim and get access to. And the main thing I want to concentrate on, a lot of people love the travel stuff. So let's go there real quick, and you can actually use your points to actually get access to this. Okay, I'm gonna go to booking platform. I want to show you access to live savings that you get through your travel. Basically, guys, you can search here, or for this video, I'm going to scroll down because I want to scroll down real quick and show you some savings real quick live at this time at 6/28/2019 around 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm doing this live video, so I want to concentrate here on this. This caught my attention. I'm gonna click Las Vegas hotels. I scrolling down for a reason. I want to see what they have here. Okay, they should be pulling up a list of hotels in the Las Vegas area, city. Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, let's see what they have here. They have the Tropicana Las Vegas Hotel, 31% off. Guys, y'all seeing this live. I'm checking through this for a reason. Now I stayed at this hotel. Let's see. Look at the savings here, guys. This is very powerful. You see what you get access to when you become a member of Rnetwork. This is so powerful. Look at the savings, guys. I'm telling you. This is awesome. Look at this. Okay, since I stayed here before, let me click on the Win Las Vegas. Okay, let's see what they have here. Let's say if I want to check in on the 5th of July, right? And let's say if I want to stay there until Sunday, just showing you an example. Then you can have, yeah, 2 adults. Let's see, 2 children. Just doing this as an example. Okay, let's see. Let's check rates. That's how you actually use the portal. This travel portal through Rnetwork partnership. Okay, with wholesale hotel rates. Okay, let's see what they have here. We can get from showing the exact rate. This is not too bad. Look at this. You're saving almost $40 off this. This is very powerful. So guys, I want to show you this live. Let me go back real quick. Let's try one more hotel live. Let's see what they have here. Um, Wait for it to load. So I'm just showing you live, guys, how to use the portal, the travel portal from the back office. Okay. All right, let's look at some more hotels real quick. Y'all see the Westgate Las Vegas Resort and Casino. Y'all see the prices here. That's the main thing I want to concentrate on. It's good savings. Okay. And guys, I want to show you something real quick. Let me go back to the actual. I want to go back to the actual savings page. Let's go back real quick. Yeah, I want to show y'all something here. Let me go home. Okay. I'm gonna scroll down. Yeah, this is what I want to do real quick. I'm gonna search an actual live state real quick. Give me 1 second. I'm going to use a Florida zip code, Miami, Florida zip code. Let me hit search. I want to show y'all live the savings that you get also. So it's searching now. Look at this. I just put in Miami, Florida. And guys, you'll be able to get access to this. And they got 9 pages, Little Caesars, Papa John. So people want to know, well, can you save at merchant stores and restaurants and stuff like that? Yes, you can. Let's browse through, see what else they have. Palm Beach, Florida. Just showing you you could search by your zip code and get access to this from your back office. So I got Denny's, I got different ones. Let me hit 4. I'm on 4. I'm going to show you a live example of how to get access. Okay, I'm going back to 1. I like Papa John's. So let's real quick. I'm going to click View Offers. I'm showing you this live so you can see. Okay, points to redeem. You can use 500 points that they gave you out of from the 5,000. You can actually use this. You can actually use your points to redeem and save. So guys, this is very powerful. I'm showing you this live. And then any other place you decide you want to go, let's go on page 9 real quick. See what I have on page 9. Go to 8. So guys, you are seeing this live, your savings. This is the back office portal to save on travel, restaurants, and major merchants. So I'm just showing you live. That's Quiznos. That's 1,000 points. Redeem. Now, if I want to redeem, I'm gonna click redeem now. Then you can redeem now and print. So you actually print these coupons off and take it to the actual Quiznos and save. So y'all see that redeem now and print. So you can redeem these coupons and get them scanned, and guess what? You'll be saving. So you get access to all of this, guys. This is very powerful. I just want to show you how to get access to your Rnetwork back office, the reward side of this, so you can start saving. If you have any issues, any questions, please contact support. They'll be glad to assist you. Thank you for watching this video. And please get with the person that shared this video with you as well. And join today and start saving with Rnetwork. Thank you.